Hello, my name is Lewis and welcome to another Loyal and Save training video. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your settings for your swag shop. Let's begin. First, let's click on Point of Sale, Maintenance, Settings and Panels. Then we'll click on Swag Shop. From here, you can set your max redemption allowed per day and your max allowed per purchase. First, let's look at the max redemption allowed per day. Right now it's set to 1, but we can change this number to any number of redemptions allowed per day. Let's change this to 10. Now let's look at your max allowed per purchase. This means how many items can the customer redeem per purchase. It's set to 1, but we can change this to any number we want. Let's change this to 5. By doing this, now we've set the max redemption allowed per day to 10, and our max allowed per purchase to 5. Next, we want to go to our notifications. In the notifications tab, you'll see you have the fulfillment settings and the marketing settings. Let's talk about the fulfillment settings first. Here you can enter the emails for the fulfillment management of your swag shop. You can choose to add an email from your admin users or add a custom email. Next, let's look at your marketing settings. This is similar to the fulfillment settings where you can choose a specific user from your admin list or add a custom email. And that concludes our training for the swag shop settings. To learn more about Loyal and Save, you can explore our YouTube channel and find more Loyal and Save courses by visiting FTx Academy.